Blur and track a person's face on CapCut PC. So it is super fast and beginner friendly. So here is how to do so. First of all, open the CapCut, import a video, and also make sure to drag and drop your clip into the timeline. Once all of these are done, simply tap on the effects option of level at the top. Now, once you tap on the effects, you will get to see body effects option of level at the left hand side panel. Tap on it. Now in the search address bar, type down face. And once you type down face, you'll get to see face mosaic option of level. Simply tap on it and simply put it on your video. So now, once you play it, CapCut will track your face and it will blur it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.